If you look at herbalism, Ayurveda is not just about herbs. Ayurveda is a medical system which said that anything under the sun is medicine. Nahi kinjit anaushadham jagati, means there is nothing which is not of medicinal value in the whole universe. There is a story of Jivaka, who was a disciple of a great medical doctor of those days, Atreya. And at the end of the studies, the students were given a test. They had to move around and come back with natural resources, especially plants which did not have any medicinal value. So it turns out that Jivaka took a long time to come back, whereas all his other classmates came back very quickly and came up with one plant or the other. And when Jivaka came back empty handed, his teacher asked him, "Oh Jivaka, what happened? Did you not find any plant that does not have medicinal value?" And Jivaka, with a very worried look, said, "Teacher, I couldn't find a plant that had no medicinal value." And then Atreya said that, "You are the only one who passed this test. Now you are a doctor." So in Ayurveda we have used everything, even from excreta to plants, to animal products, to minerals. Everything has been explored as a source of medicine. So it's wrong to consider Ayurveda as herbal medicine.